Hello members, hopefully this is the first of a few behind the scenes options. You will recognise this as the centre console of the DB5. Now, obviously you saw in the previous video that this was fitted to the DB5. I've since removed it. Reason for that is this is now empty. Now, if you remember, I attempted to paint it, and in the end I wasn't happy with how this looked. Basically, it's wrong. The only thing they really got right, I think, were the switches at the top here, the four little flick switches, and they're even not that brilliant. If we just have a quick look at the DB5 console itself, you can see that it's not really a close comparison at all. So we've got the four switches up here, we've got these three slide switches, and we've got this control lever to do something. I think that might be the control for the shield, but I'm not sure. So in the end I decided, right, I'm going to do something a little bit different. Instead of finally painting it, I've created this in Tinkercad. And you can see we've got the slide switches, we've got the four control switches up there, and we've got this little sliding lever here. So I've now got that over into Jittybox, and I'm going to print it out on my resin printer and see what the initial draft comes out with. I think there's a couple of little things that I do want to do. So I want to put the screw holes and screw heads in here. You'll notice actually with the other one, with the original, there's actually a missing screw head here. So I'm going to replicate that missing screw head as well. So only put the three in and put these two in down here. So I'll give you another update at some point when I've got this actually done, and hopefully in the control box. I think it's going to look pretty good. Obviously I'll paint it all up to look the same as this as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.